If your Windows 10 and 11 computer feels slow, freezes often, or taking too long time to start, background apps may using your system reduce. Many applications continue running even when you are not actively using them, which can consume RAM, CPU power, and battery life. In this tutorial, we will learn how to stop unnecessary background apps in Windows 10 and 11. First, open the Start menu and click on Settings. From the left hand side menu, select Apps. Then click on Install Apps. Here you will see all list application installed on your computer. Find the apps that want to stop from running in the background. Click the three dots next to the application and select Advanced option if available. Scroll down until you find Background Apps Permission. Click the drop down menu and change the setting to Never or turn off this option. This will prevent that app from running background process and using your computer reduce. You can also manage apps that automatically start when you turn on your PC. Go to the Big Apps section and select Startup. You will see a list of programs that launch automatically with Windows. Disable unnecessary applications that you do not need immediately after startup. By turning off unwanted background apps and startup program, your Windows 10 and 11 PC can run faster, start quicker, and use fewer system resources. This simple optimization can help improve overall computer performance. Hope you understand. I have a request. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.